Assalamu alaikum. My name is Akash Ahmed. I have a barista experience. I know how to make espresso, americano, cortado, latte, flat white, cappuccino, Spanish latte, mocha, B60, mocktail, mojito. I am from Coffee Trading Academy in Bangladesh.